Ingrown toenail is one of the mostly common problems. It can be a painful condition that can easily become infected without proper care. In this video, I will share a trick how to relieve pain from ingrown nail. Please note, this trick will work only if there is no infected area yet. If the problem gets too serious, it is better to contact the specialist first and do all necessary examinations. However, this trick is super easy and will work both for nail technicians and for anybody who wants to take care and relieve pain from ingrowing toenails at home. All you need is a simple dental floss. So how can you protect your client if you don't have any special treatments? All of you might have a dental floss. The dental floss, it should be flat. There's the ones that are rounded, so you need to use the flat one. It's sanitized already, that's why we can use it. I do not recommend to use the regular rounded ones because we can provoke onycholysis. Put it right there. 3, 5 to 10 threads, it really depends how much you can fit in there, but do not push, do not press too much, just carefully put them in there and you can connect them together. And now our nail plate will not put too much pressure on our tissue. Then we will cut the thread right there.
Края с этой стороны.
And from the other side. You can use a special medical glue. I bet you all have this kind of treatment in your countries. This is like the medical glue that's used for the wounds to glue them together. So this is what you can use, so the dental floss will not come out and will stay there. And I have the special treatment. This is the gel. This is Propolis Gel with Actis. It works like a glue. After a few minutes it hardens right on the air, and it will stay there as a hard substance for 4 to 7 days. The only disadvantage of this product is the color. It's yellow brownish, and it will not be possible to remove it with the water. We have a question about how long should you leave the dental floss in there. It really depends on the client. Once there is no pressure and tension anymore, it's okay to let it out. Also, you need to tell your client on what shoes she should wear. They are not supposed to be, this stylish triangle shoes that are too narrow. Also, you're not supposed to wear high heels. Just once they feel there's no pressure, there is no redness of the skin around this area, it's okay to take it off.